Okay, guys, this is John. It is 3:45 p.m. Central. I'm sitting here with Hubert Centers, who is very tired today because he did not have any sleep last night because you're sleeping in a hotel, well, in an apartment.
Yeah.
And you had to get
in
up
an unfamiliar setting.
And you had to get up at like 6 o'clock this morning to do the live trading.
Yeah, but I lost.
Yeah.
So it means I don't have to do it again.
So heads up, I'm going to be doing that same thing on Friday. Now heads up, I'm going to have technical difficulties, and I won't be able to get in until about 8. Okay? Starts at 7:15.
That's a great idea. I should have had technical difficulties and not shown up till about 8:30.
Because from 7:15 to 8, I don't trade. So I did want to show you a couple things here on this 5-minute chart on the S&Ps. Today was a pretty solid trading day. Now, the first 2 trades we did, I got stopped, or the first one I did, I got stopped out on. Well, that was actually 3. So we came down here. We had the big sell-off. I missed that. I got in the office about 9:30. I had to take my kids to school this morning. And we got the 50% retracement, so we set up a short against this level, scaled into it, and then went to lunch. And but mostly all the way into lunch, it was looking pretty good. And we got down to 12.20. In fact, we just had our stop loss above the 618 and an open target. And the goal would be is that we just roll over and die. Well, then some news came out and we got stopped. And then from there, started getting aggressive on a couple of different things. First, we got a bunch of high tick readings, and we bought the pullbacks on that. So we did some trades in the Russell and got $3,200 on that. Some trades on the S&Ps, got $4,900 on that. And then the other trade, well, I'll talk more about this in the premium video, but the other trade was, did a trade on calls on Goldman Sachs and got $12,000 on that, all on this one setup here. And it was a combination of using the squeeze. And then if we look at these indicators here, you guys know them as, well, it's the TTM Hoffman trend, also known as, I think are these the level 3 indicators?
Yes.
But they're the TTM Hoffman momentum and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. Here's how I've been using these, is especially on something like this, is when I see these, I just know not to short it, and the same thing here is when I see something like this, I know not to buy it, and that's been really, really helpful. So the combination of the squeeze and then seeing this, being able to buy all pullbacks to the mean during this time into the close, doing that, and then finally, of course, looking at the ticks right here, and on the ticks, just looking at all 5 of those charts together was really, really helpful, because the ticks, you go bam, you'd buy the pullbacks here. They lined up and they showed it on Rob's chart. You still had the bind zone. You had the squeeze fire off, and really, really solid close overall. So anyway, that was it for the free video. And again, for Friday, I'll be doing live trading over at Infinity. We'll include a link. I guess we could include a link probably tonight. I'll have a link. We'll just sign it up. We'll put it at the end of this.
Yeah,
for
I'll link to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And but just remember, I'm going to have technical difficulties for about the first 30 minutes.
Tell them what that means. That you are not going to show up on time.
Well, I'm not trying to be that. Okay. I figured most of the people would figure that out.
It starts at 7:15. John's not going to be there until
about 8.
About 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's going to be another guy on there, so you want to see how he trades too, and he may be a really good trader. I don't know who it is, but I'm sure I'll meet him on Friday. Okay. You guys have good trading. See you at the next update.